Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is Yaadmentz.
Artistic.
Welcome back to Yaadmentz.
Hey.
We are so happy that you have decided to tune in. We thank you again for subscribing, for liking, for sharing. We really appreciate it, and we hope that you'll continue to stay with us, stick around with us. Those of you who haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. So today we're here at the beautiful Hope Gardens. We're gonna do the get to know us tag. We know that some of you know us, some of you probably don't know us that well, and some of you probably don't know us any at all. So we're gonna do this tag today at Hope Gardens.
Right, I mean, Hope Garden is a really nice place, a really nice setup. It is very serene. You have a lot of spaces where you can just sit, have, a mini date. You understand, inexpensive, you don't have to spend a lot of money, just, you can make your own food and bring it here. Today we brought with us our fat boy sandwich.
Yeah, it's one of our favorite actually sandwiches, and it's very filling. And they're located in Sovereign Center, which is in Ligani, and also in Halfway Tree.
Right.
So we're gonna grab on that too while we answer the questions.
Right,
So,
and I must say it's a pretty inexpensive sandwich as well. It's like $400 and something. I mean, look at the size of this. If you get to Burger King, I don't think you will get something like this. But hey, you can decide. But
and it's very filling. It's very filling too. So we'll be sharing that big sandwich today.
So stay
tuned. If you want to see more, we'll see you in a few.
All right. So welcome back
everybody. So I have the questions here. I actually just went online and Googled get to know me tag questions, and they came up. There are actually like 30 questions, but we're not going to go through all 30 of those. All right, so let's start. The first question is, what is your middle name?
My middle name is Delisa.
Yeah, and I have two middle names actually. One is Ashley and one is Marie.
Okay. All right, so what is your favorite color?
I do not have a favorite color. I don't have a favorite color.
Okay, my favorite color is green. I have a lot of green stuff, so
him actually have on green pants right now.
Green. So green is my favorite color.
Yeah. Next question is, who was your first best friend?
My first best friend, I actually don't remember that. That's a long time ago. I don't remember my first best friend, to tell you the truth.
For me, I think my first best friend was, it was between Rochelle Hackas from Grace from church, Jessica Green, Najee Leslie. Yeah, those were my first best friends, I believe. Yeah, okay. And they're all from church. So big up on yourself. If you're not watching, comment. Hi, you guys.
All right, so how tall are you?
I believe I am 5'7" or 5'8", so above average.
Yeah,
on the taller side.
Pretty tall for a lady. I am above 5'11" or 12 the last time I checked, so yeah.
The next question is, cats or dogs?
Dogs, definitely dogs.
For me, cats. I am so afraid of dogs. I had a terrible experience when I was a child, and from that, I don't want a dog. I want a dog, and I don't want a dog.
Definitely dogs. All right, so
the next question is, how many countries have you visited?
I have not yet left Jamaica. I'm still here, so I haven't visited any country.
I have visited the US. That's the only other country that I've visited. But trust me, in the near future, we're hoping to really travel and explore what's out there.
Okay. All right. So, are you in or gone?
College? Yeah, I went to UA. That's the University of the West Indies here in Kingston, Jamaica, the Mona campus. Yeah, that's where I went.
All right, so I'm currently attending Media Technology Institute. That's MTI. CPTC's MTI, actually.
Yeah, cool. Right. Yeah, nice. Listen, the answer.
Yeah, a lot of bugs.
A lot of bugs. So be warned.
Carry a bug
be warned. Lick it off and it. It beat me. The next question is,
What was it?
what was your favorite or worst subject in high school?
My favorite subject was definitely art and IT. Worst, math. I'm not a math one.
Listen, this is where we are similar. Math is not my strong point, so that was like the worst subject for me in high school. My favorite subject was English literature. I
Okay.
loved literature.
She like to read.
Yeah, I love that.
All right. So, what is your favorite drink?
Me don't know if they mean alcoholic. If I'm alcoholic, me don't drink. So, me don't know. But like I like fruit drinks, like natural juices, so orange, pineapple, fruit punch, them something there. I don't really like the holy soda and them something there. I mostly drink water too, so if I'm drinking juice, I'd want it to be something natural.
All right, definitely, I would say the same, but I really like coconut. I should say I love coconut water.
Yeah,
That
me
is
like
my
coconut water
favorite
too.
out of everything. But fruit juice, coconut water, and definitely water. I drink a lot of water. Tea or coffee?
Tea. I don't drink coffee, none at all. Some people say, how you get through the day and don't drink coffee? I do not like it. I love the smell. Like I like coffee scented stuff, but tea. Me don't like drink coffee.
Right. I love coffee, but I'll definitely go with tea. I mean, tea, tea can always bust gas. So my grandmother would have said, bust a gas with some ginger tea or some
Yes,
some
y'all,
mint tea.
if you have a Jamaican grandma or a Caribbean grandma, definitely like and comment, because
Yeah,
you
man.
know them must tell you say you have to drink tea for
Drink
every
tea,
sickness.
everything.
Anything wrong with you, you have to drink tea.
Drink tea. This is the bust gas. Yeah, man, for
Yeah.
real.
The next question is, what sports do you play or have you ever played?
I've played football. I currently really don't play any sports. I just work out at the gym. That's just me. I just do a lot of working out. So.
I don't play any sports right now. I kind of into like jogging just for fitness purposes. But back in the day, like in prep school, I used to play tennis, swimming. I did track and field. We were just very involved. Like I wasn't very good at them, but I mean, I played them. I also played girls basketball in high school. I was on that team.
What is your favorite book?
Favorite book, the Bible, but me did love Nancy Drew book and them some the Enid Blyton. Pick up if you know them authors there. Like and comment if you know them authors there. What about you?
Definitely the Bible. It's really an interesting book. If I had to choose another book though that I can remember, it would be from way back in high school. Something another Pearl, a book Pearl.
Me no know. Me no remember.
Something another Pearl, some Pearl book. But yeah, I love that book.
What is your favorite movie?
I have a lot of favorite movies, but the one that takes the cake all the time would definitely be Coming to America with Eddie Murphy.
And for me, a movie that is like so timeless to me. I love like Black history movies, so my favorite movie is The Help. I don't know if anything else can beat that one. I just love The Help.
All right, so
The last question I think we're gonna go with is number 19.
Number 19.
Yes.
You want to ask that one?
Yes.
All right, so are you single or taken?
I am single. Oh, my single lady. Oh, my single lady. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I am taken. What about you?
I am definitely taken.
Okay.
So,
All
yeah.
right.
So hey guys,
Welcome back. We really would like to thank you for tuning in this week to another episode of Yaadmentz. We really appreciate you guys tuning in and subscribing. And if you haven't, please press that subscribe button and smash that like button and comment and share. We love you know. Big up on yourself. And also you need to check out our latest videos. We have 2 other videos up on our channel. If you haven't checked those out, please go ahead and check it out and share and like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, if you know one more thing, follow us on Instagram.
Yes, follow us on Instagram at Yaadmentz. So we will see you guys in our next video. We love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.